The production of Martinez Ayala is centered on inks for the graphics arts industry, principally the manufacture of inks and offset varnishes, which are used in all kinds of commercial applications, as in high-quality packing and packaging. Thus, we make UV offset ink, ultraviolet drying, dry offset or waterless, as well as special security and fluorescent inks, of which Martinez Ayala is the main European manufacturer for these types of inks. Martinez Ayala S.A. was founded in the year 1932 in the city of Totana, which lies in the province of Murcia, Spain. The production of our inks and varnishes was realized in its beginnings in a completely traditional and handmade fashion, making and delivering our own pigments, colorings and thickeners with exceptional care. These inks and varnishes were assigned principally for printing and stamping. The rest of the ink that was made was used in typography and offset for all kinds of commercial applications. At present, Martinez Ayala can be found and operating in new and modern facilities, inaugurated in the year 2007 in the industrial park of Totana, within a plot of 12,000 square meters. The facilities are equipped with the most up-to-date and advanced technology, as well as an excellent and professional team who are capable of giving answers to the needs of the client, whilst also confronting new future challenges with sufficient guaranteed success. In these new facilities, Martinez Ayala production capacity has increased in a sensitive way in order to approach the national and international markets in an important and professional manner, being consolidated as one of the most important companies of the sector and as a benchmark within the world of printing inks. The production process is realized by the most modern and automatic systems of production, and with a scrupulous respect towards the environment. This process splits principally into 4 phases: weighing and mixing, grinding, completed and packed. In the process of weighing and mixing, we use a system that has been designed and made exclusively for Martinez Ayala, which consists of a high structure of 12 hoppers, where the pigments of diverse colors are stored in the form of powder or pearls, in which, in a completely automatic and controlled form, are introduced into the vats, in which the oils, varnish and resins have been previously added. With the help of a powerful mixer, the different components are mixed to obtain the dispersion and dampening of the pigment in the varnish. For the ink grinding, we use mills of 3 cylinders that turn in opposite directions and pressed at an increasing speed, where a fragmentation effect is obtained on the mixture of the product, so that the ink is ground to obtain a particle size lower than 5 microns. Later, it passes to the completion phase, in which the final additives are introduced to the ink, such as the waxes, dryers, anti-rust, etc., where all the components mixed to a uniform state up to its whole dampening. Once the technical department has overseen and made any adjustments, they go to packaging, where, in an automatic way, they are closed and sealed in their different packings, previously being vacuum sealed in the line of packaging, concluding with the labeling of the containers, each of which being identified with the name, color and lot number. The process concludes with the packaging in boxes and later to pallets. The pallets, in turn, are labeled and strapped, finally moving to the logistics store to be dispatched to their different markets. The logistics and delivery service is, for Martinez Ayala, a fundamental question, since dealing with the flow of goods from factory to client is very important, and to have good organization as well as suitable coordination with their transport. The capacity of our facilities allows us to foresee and to adapt stock to give a service which is second to none, a state of circumstances that differentiate us in a very important way from the competition.
El Departamento Técnico de Martínez Ayala está formado por los mejores profesionales del sector. Estos profesionales han sido seleccionados cuidadosamente con objeto de liderar desde el punto de vista técnico el ambicioso proyecto de la empresa, que es ser referente en calidad dentro del sector. Además de dar respuesta a todos nuestros clientes, en el Departamento Técnico y en el laboratorio realizamos los rigurosos controles de calidad para asegurarnos de que todos los productos que salen de Martínez Ayala cumplen con todas las garantías exigibles en cuanto a calidad.
In our laboratory, we realize exhaustive quality controls. Verify that the size of the particles of the inks are lower than 5 microns. By means of the use of a viscometer, the values of viscosity are suitably verified and structured according to the type of specific color that we are making. Control that the ink transference is the most suitable. This is temperature controlled with a sophisticated and precise device called tag tester. Degrading the ink with a special white bus until verifying that it has managed to obtain the desired coloring force. By means of a spectrophotometer and an advanced software, we verify that the different parameters are within the specifications. This ultimate generation of software, once we have introduced the corresponding information into it, offers us the exact formula of the color in addition to the quickest way in which we can save an important quantity of time, so our clients benefit from such a speedy and agile service that we can offer them, that our competition find difficult to compete with. It's adapted and verified that the drying of the color is in accordance to the different supports used at present in the market. By means of an exhaustive selection process of the different pigments and resins, a novel formula has been obtained with which gives the maximum shine for every color. Measurement is realized by a device that is called rub tester, with which the tendency that a certain color offers is obtained when submitted to continuous rub in another support of the same nature as that of the impression. It is given fundamentally by the nature of the pigment that are selected at the time of obtaining the color, according to the density of light that each printing application needs.
Además de las actividades propias de nuestro laboratorio, la investigación y la colaboración en proyectos tanto de carácter nacional como internacional Es un objetivo y prioritario para Martínez Ayala. Ello se ha demostrado a lo largo de los años con nuestra participación en diversos proyectos en los que nuestra contribución es y ha sido muy importante. Podríamos citar, por ejemplo, el proyecto BATGRAPH, de carácter internacional, que ha sido coordinado por el Instituto Tecnológico de Óptica, Color e Imagen, AIDO, cuyo principal objetivo es que las imprentas minimicen el impacto medioambiental, eliminando los compuestos orgánicos volátiles y que además puedan implementar las mejores técnicas disponibles en sus procesos productivos para incrementar la calidad y productividad de los mismos. Por otro lado, tenemos acuerdos con diversas instituciones de carácter internacional, así como varias universidades de España, con las que realizamos algunos proyectos, muchos de los cuales culminan con la patente del resultado de la investigación, como por ejemplo el realizado con la Universidad de Murcia sobre un sistema catalítico para el secado de las tintas y barnices offset, que supondrá una revolución cuando esté totalmente implantado en nuestros procesos y nuestras formulaciones. De igual forma, uno de nuestros principales logros de investigación actuales ha sido el desarrollo de tintas de baja migración destinadas a la impresión de envases y embalajes que contienen alimentos, y los que la tinta, en ningún caso, puede traspasar a los alimentos, bien sea directa o indirectamente. De igual manera, formamos parte de numerosos comités de investigación junto con otras empresas europeas, las cuales están formadas por expertos de la industria gráfica y de la impresión y cuyo objetivo es investigar sobre las causas que provocan problemas en la impresión y que repercuten en la calidad de los impresos, con el fin de conseguir nuevas mejoras en el sector.
As for the environment, Martínez Ayala shows a deep respect and special sensibility, which motivates and directs its efforts. On the one hand, introducing procedures clean and closed in order to control the production and to minimize waste, to recycle and to treat the residues in a correct way, according to the current legislation. On the other hand, Martínez Ayala uses in its material formulations which are severely selected that allow them to prepare inks which respect the environment, since they are composed of natural resins, vegetable oils and organic pigments. This way, they obtain inks that provide full safety in the applications and answer the requirements of the clients who, with each day, are more conscious and sensitive regarding the environment. In achieving that, the quality and the service to the client were present in all the processes and persons of the company, with the target to give complete answers to the requirements of the clients. The efforts of Martínez Ayala was reflected in the 1998 when it obtained the Certificate of Quality Management as the norm UNE-EN ISO 9002, and at the beginning of 2001, the new norm UNE-EN ISO 9001-2000.
Efectivamente, Martínez Ayala tiene una clara vocación de internacionalización con objeto de llegar al mayor número posible de mercados y así poder ofrecer a los impresores de todo el mundo nuestras mejores soluciones, conseguida gracias al esfuerzo de todo el personal que formamos Martínez Ayala y a las labores de investigación realizadas a lo largo de nuestra larga trayectoria, apoyados por nuestra experiencia en más de 82 años como fabricante de tintas para arte gráficas y barnices. El hecho de que sean cada vez más las empresas de diferentes zonas y países que quieran representar nuestra marca es muy reconfortable para nosotros, ya que todo el esfuerzo y dedicación que venimos realizando todo el personal de Martínez Ayala, trabajando por conseguir la mejor calidad y el mejor servicio y, en definitiva, trabajando por conseguir la excelencia, está siendo cada vez más reconocido en los principales mercados internacionales, circunstancia que hace que estemos muy agradecidos y veamos el futuro con optimismo y también con mucha ilusión.
A future that is assured not only by a strict and exhaustive protocol, but also thanks to the preparation and formation that the members of the fourth generation are carrying out in matters of international trade, direction and business administration, management and treatment of the internal information technologies of networks, quality, and in production, between others. Here lies hope for us, many years of work and dreams in which we will put all our continued effort and dedication to achieve that Martinez Ayala keeps on being, and increasingly, an international model in the manufacture of inks and varnish for the graphics industry. Martinez Ayala. Continued innovation.